Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create slide transition on CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my CapCut application, and as you can see, I have imported some clips to my project, and then I'm going to create slide transition for all these clips. Okay, I have added audio as well to this project, and I'm going to add beat marks. Wait, I'm going to click on the audio, and then we can go to the beats, and I'm going to use auto generate, and the beat marks will be edited automatically, and we can customize the intensity like this, and click on the check mark, and then I'm going to cut the video according to the beat mark. We can sync the transition with the beat mark, so it will be better. Okay, done. And now it's time to create the slide transition. I'm going to use keyframe. We can add keyframe to the first part. Wait, and I'm going to add another keyframe to the end part, and you can create like slide transition. I'm going to place it here, and then for the last transition, I'm going to make it like this. Okay, let me play it. And also this one, just do the same. And I'm going to create slide transition like this guys. Okay, and then we're going to add grab. Go to the grab and choose flow 2 for this one as well, and apply this setting to all your clips. Okay, flow 2, and then I'm going to add blur effect. Oops, sorry. I'm going to go to the effects menu, select video effect, and search oblique blur. Okay, and choose this one. I'm going to apply the effect right here and add keyframe. I'm going to add it here. Okay, and I'm going to make it full like this, but for the first part, I'm going to make it less, or make it 0, and for the end part as well. Add keyframe and make it like this, and finally it's done. And you can apply this effect to all the clips, and this is the result. Yeah, that's so cool. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create slide transition on CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.